Hey folks, Swami Pranayomama here. Actually, my name is Isaac Fried. I wrote this book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. Swami Pranayomama is the pen name because it's funny. So today let's talk about chapter 19, The Truth According to Sid. There was this guy in India a long time ago called Siddhartha Gautama. I don't know, I don't speak that language, but I read it in a book. His friends called him Sid. So this part of the book is about how this dude Sid discovered how to not give a fuck. He discovered that when he gave a fuck, he was unhappy. And when he stopped giving a fuck, he was at peace. When he discovered this, they called him the Enlightened One, because he realized that giving a fuck causes unhappiness and not giving a fuck brings peace. When he realized this, they called him the Enlightened One or Buddha. Very simple. So stop giving a fuck and find peace. Enlightenment simply means to see what is. So to be enlightened means to understand that if you stop giving a fuck, you'll stop suffering. There it is in a nutshell. Buy the book, read all about it. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Hope you're enjoying the video series. This is a little addendum to the videos because on YouTube I can't put these little things on the corners of the video where you click on it and then go to the website to read articles or go buy the book. I need like 1,000 subscribers to do that. So just a little housekeeping. If you're interested in buying the book or going to one of the websites to see some funny videos or read some powerful, poignant articles, they should be hopefully right down here in the description for the videos. There's some links. I'm going to see if I can get it so you can click on it. You might have to copy and paste, but there it is. Go check out the book, go to the websites, and you want to sign up for the email list. We're not really harassing you with lots of emails just when new videos are released, but what we want to be is one of the first people who becomes aware of the new book that's coming out. The title is too good for me to mention yet. But hopefully this year, 2020, is when I'm recording this. There'll be a new book out that you're going to want to check out. So check out the links below if you're interested. And I'd love it if you hit a like or, be honest, hit a thumbs down here if you don't like it. And hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, if you want. I don't think you're not going to get spammed or anything, but it helps me get to the point, 1,000 subscribers, and I can put a little link here so you can click on it and go check out some websites and stuff. Okay, damn, that was long. 1:33. I better stop this. Bye.